So we need to check what the problem is. So we take out the nozzle, take out. Usually, oh, I see the difference because you can see the dust came between the body. There can have a very big gap here. While here it's very close, and then you can't see any flour come out from this part. Another point is our coffee cleaner has a rubber sheet here, which it can protect the dust or flour coming out directly while there's empty. They don't have any sheet to protect. And the main difference is here. You can see their filter is so large hole, so the flour come directly from the inside and to outside. While our filter have two filters. You can see here's the first one. You can see it's the flour, and it's the second one. You can see we have a rubber cover here which can hold all the flour inside the dust can, so it can't fly out. So that's the quality difference, and absolutely their cost is much lower than ours.